Welcome to this video, and in this one I have a hand coordination exercise for. So it won't be anything new for you that the interplay between the left and right hand together is one of the biggest challenges on the piano. This is because many things come together. It goes in different directions. Evenly, sometimes apart first, then together, and then again offset a bit. Then there are different rhythms, also in both hands. Faster, slower, then there are different volumes and different playing styles, and we focus on the latter in this exercise. So this exercise is one that I would classify as level 1. So more on the easy level. That doesn't mean it's easy. One thing is important, the whole thing, to make neat and tidy. That is for almost everyone, yes, I would even say actually everyone, including myself, also a challenge. Again and again, I'll demonstrate what this is all about. Yes, you see, the notes are not something you'd say, wow, that's difficult. We have both thumbs on the Cs and the rest of the fingers on the adjacent keys next to them. And then they play mirrored. Both thumbs, both index fingers, both middle fingers, up to the little finger and back again. Just playing the left hand as legatus attached. And the right hand staccato, meaning short notes. And as odd as it sounds, just playing the right hands this way once, even and clean, is not that easy at all. Dum, boom, 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 boom. Additionally, when we now play both hands together, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, take a look at the green keys on mine. Up here. What it can look like quickly. Do you see that? It's not exactly even like right, left, or left, right. Sometimes it is, or sometimes it's a bit off. Ideally, it really is. Exactly at the same time. And mind you, right now I'm playing both hands legato, so watch out. We're going to do 2 rounds together now. First, we'll play both hands legato, meaning the same length, and especially ensuring that both hands really precisely, neatly strike at the same tier. And that's why it's so important when it gets more complex later on in terms of interaction. This is something I've noticed with piano students who take even the simplest exercises, or rather the less complex ones. Yeah, I'm not saying they're easy, but those who really commit to them, those who do, will find it easier to cope with the tougher exercises later on. Additionally, second thing, the piano playing just sounds nicer when played really cleanly. Watch out! That's why we're going to do 3 rounds together now. Ready? Thumbs on the Cs. Pay attention. You can focus on it with your hearing. Sounds even, right? So slightly offset, it should really be even with every note. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, and again. And for the 3rd time. Okay, awesome. you notice when you really pay attention to it, it's not so easy to make it perfect. So you can, of course, do the exercise on your own a few more times. Now let's do the other exercise together, where the right hand plays staccato. Yes, watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 3 passes to very nice. So this is a first hand coordination exercise. I would say it's level 1, but again, that doesn't mean it's easy. Above all, if you take it really seriously, which I recommend to everyone, if you're up for a whole lot of these hand coordination exercises through all levels, including several in level 1, several in level 2 and up, these are really complex exercises. Today I incorporated hand coordination into my power training course. I'll link it below the video. It's a lot of fun. Not only will this make playing with both hands together easier afterwards, your piano playing will also sound more beautiful because we pay a lot of attention to cleanliness, which is also very important. All right. As further information, you can find it on the page I link below the video. Great to have you here. Many, many thanks. And then I look forward to seeing you in the next video.